In this video, I'm going to show you an example of how to fix your drip tubing if it got cut. And this is a part of a video that I did a while back, and you can check it out up here. But it was later in the video, and some people might not have seen how I actually fixed the problem. This is just a simple video. I went to my trailer and I show you how you're going to end up using couplers and a piece of drip to fix a cut in your drip. Let me show you something. So what I did is I took my cutters, I just used regular pipe cutters to cut this drip, and I cut it out. And so I cut that piece out, and I did the same thing on this other side. I just cut this small little section out of this drip. And then what I did, I just cut another new piece, and this one actually has a drip emitter in it. It's almost the same length, but I cut it pretty close to the same length, and when I got over there, then I trimmed it down to fit in this exact same spot. And so essentially how this works, we're just gonna have to pretend, but this was the piece that was in the ground, and so now I've got my new piece, and so I'm going to end up using a coupler and putting these together. Now, a drip coupler is just a simple fitting, and it's just going to couple two pieces together. And so these are pretty hard to get in, but I just put it in one side. And usually when I do couplers, I get it started, and then I come with the other piece, and it helps push it all back together. So then you can grab both ends, and you want it all the way in. This is how far you want to go in on a coupler when you're putting two pieces together. So then I had this piece is the piece I cut out, so I did the same thing. Put this coupler in, and then this would have been the other piece that's going on to the next plant. And you work them both together. You kind of work it back and forth, pushing it. These particular fittings are not made to twist or thread any kind of way. And in fact, if you twist this while you're going on, it actually kind of widens it out and ruins this piece to where it makes it easier for this to blow apart. And so you just want to work it back and forth. You can see. So there and there. And so that's how I fixed that little leak right there.